Welcome back to Classkick. In this video, we will walk through achieving your first success. Rather than heading to a printer, let's simply upload one of your assignments to Classkick to see your students' work in real time. First, click the Create Assignment button, select Create from File, and then you can decide whether to import specific elements or the entire document. Next, add the image as a new question. Click Finish and you've created your first assignment. Name it, then select the subject area and grade level. To view the assignment in student mode or assign it to your students, click Assign a Roster and give it a name to generate the class code. Now your students can log in with the class code and begin working on your assignment. As you watch your students work, you can see their thought process and responses in real time. You can also make live edits to the assignment, like adding a new page. In edit mode, click on the last page of your assignment, and then hit the camera button in the menu bar to upload the new page from a PDF. Returning to the Edit Assignment screen will immediately show your new additions. As your students work, they will see your assignment edits in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.